Hey there YouTube, I'm coming at you with a quick video of my 2023 Ford Maverick. So in a nutshell, basically a deer hit me on the side, and I was just trying to look for videos out there that showed taking off the fender, the passenger side fender, and I could not find any at all. I found a video on how to take off the front bumper. Shout out to Mr. Boom. I used his video to take off the front bumper, but as far as the fender, I could not find anything. Now, I just want to call out that there's a few attach points, which are here, here, here. There's actually one in here which you have to take off this and the emblem on the side. And then there's two down here, if you can see that. Down in there, I should say. And you got to take off this lower piece. And I did find a video online on how to take those clips off. Basically, you got to grab them with a needle nose and twist. But yeah, like I said, if you take off the emblem, you can get in here. And there's that one on the side, and then there's a mount on the front, and then this is the front where the bumper mounts. So yeah, but yeah, like I said, just want to make it a super quick video. If anybody wants to see a video of putting it back on, let me know in the comments below. If not, I'm just gonna get it back together because I gotta start daily driving it. Also, more videos to come here soon. I got a new set of rims and tires. Those tires are shot, but I plan on getting new tires and a lift and some other mods coming soon. Sorry it's been a long time. I need to do an update. I have about 45,000 miles on it, and in a nutshell, I absolutely love every mile of it until Bambi hit me. But yeah. So stay tuned. Thank you.